Question number 7. In the 2 years following the unification of Germany in 1989, the number of cars owned by the residents of East Germany and the total distance traveled by the cars in East Germany both increased by about 40%. In those 2 years, however, the number of East German residents killed each year as car occupants in traffic accidents increased by 300%. Now, there are two conclusions which are against each other. Let's understand. In East Germany, after unification, the number of cars plus the distance traveled both went up by 40%. This is the fact one. The total distance traveled by the cars and the total number of cars went up by 40%. In those 2 years, however, the number of East German residents killed each year as car occupants in traffic accidents increased by 300%. But number of accidents, let me put it here, with this fact in place, number of accidents were up by 300%. Had the accidents gone up by say 30-40%, understood, but this is a tremendous jump vis-a-vis 40% increase in the number of cars and the total distance traveled. Fair? So the question here is, which of the following, if true, helps to explain the disproportionate increase in the traffic fatalities? Disproportionate increase in the proportion is too high, so that's what is bothering the author, and it is the question is saying. So let's check. Let's see option D. The drivers who had driven little or not at all before 1989 accounted for much of the increase in the total distance traveled by the cars. That explains it all. Till 1989, somebody who has never driven a car is a new driver, a rookie, a tyro, a beginner kind of a car driver, and he has suddenly bought a new car also, and he has started driving long distances also. So if that is the case, then obviously the number of accidents must have shot up. So the number of cars and the distances plus another factor, new drivers, contributed to this, who have never driven before. So this is what contributed to this. So that's why the substantial disproportionate increase, 40% and 300%, this is the case. Our answer is D. Let's look at the next one. Question number 8. Paint on a new airliner is